Hi traders, in the short video I'm going to show you one simple indicator and I'll show you how you can use it just to make money online wherever on any market. So let's start the rock and roll. So in this video I'm going to show you one simple indicator. It's called, probably you know it, it's called MACD, but what is special with this indicator? I'll show you right now. A very simple system. You can just get rid of those white lines. First thing, we got two colors, we change it to known, and here we go. We got just the indicator. Still, let's make the line thicker. It is, whatever it is, it's here somewhere. Let's make it 3. It's okay. So it looks like that. At the moment, it doesn't show too much. What we should do right now, I will tell you right now. It will be a quick one, just 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. So we are getting here, just dragging moving average right here. And we apply it to first indicator data. Apply to first indicator data. It's linear weighted. We make it OK, and here we go. We got already, wherever crosses, you see the crosses, you get the signal on TIA. So here you go. Selling signal, buying signal. Selling signal, whatever that's first. Oh, I don't want to get you bored with that. So we got selling signal here already, whatever, buying signal, selling signal, buying signal. Not everyone works, but it's worth trying. Just try it, guys, on any time frame. It should work. So here you got another example. I just changed the settings of the indicator. So I put, instead of slow moving average period, instead of 26, I put 55. So as you can see, it eliminated the bad signals. So it looks much more smoother than before, and it's probably more reliable. Guys, I recommend you always try to play with those settings. Put the longer settings instead of usual 14 or 21. Put 110, put 500, 800, whatever. Try to play with it and you will definitely find your best solution. So if you like my video, just give me a like, write something in the comment. Is it useful or not for you? That's it. Green peeps, guys.